Imagine waking up in the peaceful hills. Fresh air flows gently, and the morning sun shines through the small windows of this tiny house, where simplicity meets natural beauty. Surrounded by rolling green hills in Tooborac, Victoria, the Heathcote Valley Tiny House offers a peaceful and natural place to stay. This tiny house is set on spacious grounds, offering stunning 360-degree views. With a smart and minimalist design, inside, this house is designed with incredible efficiency. A small kitchen with a stove and fridge, a comfortable queen-size bed, and large windows that open up the beautiful 360-degree panorama. Every detail has been thought out to create a warm and calming atmosphere. It's not just about aesthetics. The energy used is renewable. A composting toilet, energy-efficient LED lights, and minimal use of single-use plastic are all part of the commitment to protecting the environment. A reminder that eco-friendly living can start in our own homes. The Heathcote Valley Tiny House teaches us that home isn't about how big it is, but how it makes us feel. Small spaces create intimacy, with ourselves, with nature, and with a sense of calm that's often overlooked. Close to some of Heathcote's finest wineries, this home is not just a haven, it's also a gateway to culinary adventure. Imagine sitting outside with a glass of wine, accompanied by the afternoon breeze and the silence of the hills. A simple yet satisfying experience.